Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So this car has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's also air conditioning, DAB digital radio, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 23,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.